Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their multifunction power socket surge protector. As you can see, this has 3 AC outlets, 3 USB outlets, 3.4 amps total on USB output, and surge protection. Nothing really around the box, just the specs on the back. The model ONSK-118. So let's open this up, take a look at it. So inside of the box you have, that's it for the box, just cardboard left. You do get a little product features guide here, but most importantly, you have your flat cable as well as the flat outlet, so you could easily put this behind a desk, behind a couch. It's going to be able to go in, stay plugged in, and you don't got to worry about having any issues with the cable. And then nice little switch, 3 outlets, 1 USB-C port, 2 full-size USB-A ports, and then if you really need it, you can slide this out and you can actually wall mount it. So it doesn't come with the screws that you'd need to wall mount it. You'd need your own screws, but it's an added option if you absolutely needed it. Power cable is about 4 feet long. So that'll do it for this multifunction power socket. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.